My dear students, once completed data science training, 10 subjects. I have done many corporate trainings. If you want, I'll give you personal training, corporate training, or university training. So data scientist is the highest paying job. Then machine learning engineer, then software engineer, cloud engineer, development operations scientist, DevOps specialist, penetration tester, blockchain specialist, database developer, and front-end developer, back-end developer, full stack developer, mobile developer. These are the various highest paying jobs. Then what are the research challenges of data science? See, wherever data is there is a problems are there. Data may be a complex data. So we need to do research challenges of data science like data quality and data privacy and security is a challenge. Data integration is a challenge. Then data interpretation, conversion of one data to another data, it is a problem. Scalability means increasing the size of the data. So how many servers are required? It is a challenge. Algorithm selection, there are various types of algorithms are there. It is a challenge to choose best algorithm. Model interpretability, once we got the results, we are unable to interpret the data because of the results, because of the complex of the data. Then bias and fairness. So this is also one of the research challenge of data science. Real-time analysis. Real-time analysis is also a very big problem and ethical consideration. It is a obvious ethics we need to follow for any aspect or any type of if you are performing applications, societal applications, we need to follow a ethical considerations. Then these are the research challenges, multiple data sources and data security, lack of clarity and business problem, undefined key performance indicators and metrics, getting value out of data science, sentiment analysis, opinion mining, predictive mining, and post and pre-clustering. How can we capture and deliver data to right people in real time? How we can handle a variety of forms and data? How we can store and analyze data given its size and computational capacity. These are the research challenges. According to the Gartner survey, Gartner, Gartner is a famous surveyist, is revealing the challenges of data science. See here, dirty data, 49%. Lack of data science talent, 41%. Lack of management and financial support, 37%. Lack of clear questions to answer, 30%. Likewise, integration finding into decisions, 13.6%. So research in data science, we are using analytics and business intelligence, data-driven science, artificial intelligence, data science, theories, methods and technology, visualization, machine learning, information technology, we are using social sciences, informatics, statistics. So that's why, what are the research areas, application domains and projects? We have a smart business, city planning, e-health, telecommunications, social engineering, travel data analytics, smart shopping, real-time data warehousing, IoT for precision health, medical adherence, augmented rehabilitation and coaching system, pricing and uptake of next generation networks, a new framework for high-speed data mining, cyberbullying detection, social media location mining, forecasting fluctuation in power supply. So these are the research areas and application domains and projects.